The Best in Heritage, a global program featuring award-winning museum, heritage and conservation projects. From late May to early October 2024, join us online for the 23rd annual The Best in Heritage, featuring over 40 award-winning projects from diverse corners of the world. Our video interviews will delve deep into groundbreaking best practices, providing invaluable insights and a behind-the-scenes journey into the accomplishments of renowned experts. Through engaging conversations facilitated by leaders and innovators in the cultural heritage field, viewers will gain first-hand understanding of the award-winning achievements and the keys to their success. Our hard-working interviewers, who also serve as our annual Project of Influence Recognition Jury in 2024, are Chien Kwan, Executive Board Secretary of ICOM's International Committee for the Training of Personnel; Russell Briggs, Chief Experience Officer at the Australian Museum; Kate Seymour, Chair of ICOM's Committee for Conservation; Sandro De Bono, Museum Thinker, Consultant and Academic; Katie Goodwin, Deputy Director at Art UK; and museologist Gabriela De Rocha. The diverse lineup of featured laureates in the Imagines section, presenting new technologies and multimedia projects, ranges from initiatives that transform visitors' dreams into art via AI, provide ultra-high-resolution photographs of world-famous paintings, cater to specific needs of individuals with autism, present industrial past in the digital age, help families discover science in fun ways, interpret significant sites and the engineering behind them, that produce augmented and virtual reality storytelling experiences, offer visitors insights into their media use, and balance immersiveness with meaningful storytelling. In the core program, we will learn about museums that promote regional popular culture, organize sensory experimentation workshops to reach new audiences, present landmark constructions, engage with the past, present and future of democratic participation, address minority rights, human rights and equal citizenship, use comic collections to support well-being activities that have a pivotal role in advancing STEM literacy, that actively engage with the future of the community by meaningful engagements and collaboration, play a vital role in shifting our understanding of science, art and innovation, address a current issue of flight from war and refugees, museum that makes sure entire families can access and enjoy their visit, and an art museum as a laboratory, a place of experiment and renewal. We will also get to know a project conserving historical city gate and ramparts, an initiative of a local citizens to revitalize a historical rural convent, a long-distance trail creating a context for economic development through slow tourism in rural areas, a restoration initiative implementing back-to-work programs for people in precarious situation, voluntary activities to make wonderful places, otherwise not open, accessible to everyone, archaeological sites of regional and global significance, and a community-led research project which explores experiences under the colonial system. Over the past 2 decades, The Best in Heritage, both in personal and virtual editions, has embodied the fundamental concept of sharing the most impactful and pioneering practices from both professional and civil society domains in curating and communicating heritage. Dedicated to establishing highest quality standards and transforming our collective expertise into wisdom, The Best in Heritage remains a unique platform that fosters global connections among public memory institutions. With invaluable support from our primary partner, Europa Nostra, through the Creative Europe program and the patronage of the International Council of Museums, we continue to strengthen our mission. This year, the program is further supported by the Croatian Ministry of Culture and Media. Stay in the loop with our latest releases by checking in regularly for new videos, with fresh interviews dropping multiple times each week. To ensure you never miss out, we suggest subscribing to our YouTube, Twitter X, and Facebook profiles, as well as signing up for our newsletters on our official website, thebestinheritage.com.